Okay, everyone who was born in the abandoned Copley Hospital, I am on, I believe, the 4th level. This appears to be the place. Nursery. Here's where you could talk right there. Talk to the babies. And you can exit in. Enter in right over here. I don't know what this is. You go through in here. So, anyone who was born in Old Copley, this is where it was. This is in the new wing, I believe, on the 3rd or 4th floor. This is where some of you were born. Yeah, this place is really going downhill, and you may not see it. You may not be standing in a few years if someone gets elected mayor who can manage this city. Okay. There all the viewing areas are. And I don't know, here's some sinks here. I believe we're on the 4th floor. Here's where people were born. From the 70s onward. Here's 3 receptacles there. Call. Push for help. Oxygen. Vacuum lines. Climate control. Vacuum, oxygen. And there's where your parents probably watched, for anyone that was born here.